Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle. This is Bodie and this is our allotment. So, it's late. I've come back just to see if I can get anything done. And I've come to our allotment being mowed, which is nice because now we can really see our boundary and what we've got to work with, which is lovely. And on an initial inspection, things are dying back, which is brilliant. So all the debris that we left is dying back, leaves are falling off the trees so we can get it all neat and tidy. But yeah, my plan is to hopefully keep Bodie entertained. Hang on. Can't wait till it's a bit more pram friendly. To keep Bodie entertained for a little while and try and get some of these nettles out. So yeah, let's get ready and get on with it before he kicks off. If you do enjoy this kind of footage and content, please like it and let us know in the comments below, because this is all new to us. We're complete amateurs. If you don't like it, we'll change to something new, but you don't have to see this. But I thought it'd be a good thing to document because I want it for Bodie for in his future, so he can see what it was like to what it is now. But yeah, let's get some footage of what we were dealing with and then I'll show you the during and then the after. So if you remember last time, we cleared all of this area, all this up to here. James came and helped me clear more of this because we want to move this shed, but we'll probably replace it anyway. But today, can you see all these nettles here? My plan is to try and chop as many of these out as I can to start clearing that area. So let's get the shears out. So I've already cleared quite a bit of stuff. We've got a big bag over here that we're going to just put it in for now. Hopefully so it's not too heavy, and chuck it in the back of James's car and take it to the skip. But yeah, James is on his way. Need my gloves. Don't want to get stuck. Look who decided to show up. Jim's coming and he's going to try and get this tree down, because the plan is to have a big like Wendy house situation, a big garden, but be covered in by these bushes. Say hello. So yeah, we're going to try and get this bush down and see what happens. The sun is setting. We don't have much time left, but it's hard to show you. We've cleared all this space, all through there. The sun is right in there. Let's go back here. Can you tell now? Looks a lot better in person, right? There's two trees here. Blackberries. No idea. We said that was like a purple plant, didn't we? Good job. That was like a purple flower. But I think we're going to get most of these blackberries out. Oh yeah, that's toxic to children and dogs, so we're getting rid of that. And we have children. Children! We have children! Yeah, we do. Where's he gone? Where's your green orange man? Oh no! Yeah. He loves this. It's new today. Huh? But oh, we're heave-hoeing the bush out. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Oh, go on there. Should we both go? Hang on, I'll come and do it as well. Clipped first.
Mate, our first inhabitant.
Wow. We've woken up a real wriggly earthworm. Is that an earthworm?
Our first inhabitant.
You need them, I think.
Yeah.
They're putting back some more
Bodhi.
from Bodhi. Gotta get used to that. We're needing it. It's out! Yeah. So if you couldn't see the path before, let me show you now. So you come in here, shed, Bebe eating a carrot stick. We're officially weaning because we're 6 months old. Woohoo! And he loves them. And then you come over here, and then now there's a path. Do you want to show them around the path? Okay, here's your path. We need to get it all back. There's actual, there's actual slabs already, which goes all the way down the allotment. And so this is someone else's. This mess is ours. And now I think we get in.
Oh, we've got raspberries
and blackberries, but we are getting rid of the majority of these because we don't need this many, because we can plant other good food. But yeah, I think we might pull out a few of these now and see what happens. We'll see how easy it is to pull them out. He's on a mission. We have a plan. So
we'll keep this apple tree, obviously apple trees awesome. We get rid of a, what is it, 8x6 area here?
yeah.
Starting here.
He's saying the greenhouse is going to go here. I don't know if you can hear him, but basically 8x6 area, we're going to clear down all this, pull out this, because the greenhouse is going to be facing in to like a patio area. So them 2 trees behind there are going patio area for the kids. Because I'm also considering that my friend's got a baby called Maeve, and she's going to be coming as well. So we want a nice patio area. If I want to homeschool Bodhi, then I've got the option to bring him here to teach him. So we're gonna clear this area for a greenhouse that we've already got off Facebook. And yeah, because no one needs this many blackberries, raspberries, whatever they are. We want a manageable amount so we can grow other food. So yeah. We are done. We are losing light, not that you can tell. Bodhi's getting a bit frustrated and we're getting hungry. James has come straight from work, so we need to go home. He needs the toilet. We haven't got a toilet. We have in the van. Go for it, put it in the van. But let me show you what we've done. So this is raspberry. We've cleared this area. There's blackcurrant trees there, which is what they are. There's one over here, so these 2 are still either relocating or going because patio area. Greenhouse will be here with trellis at the back of it. Raspberries are still going down a bit more, but now we have a path. I think this may have been a path because there's slabs. Yeah, you can see that maybe there was a row here, but it's just got a bit overgrown. He's got the hiccups. I could do. But yeah, we think obviously there's a path there, maybe like around here somewhere. I think it went through here. It's just so overgrown. We now got this path, but we're thinking Wendy house, shed, facing this way towards us. Like a garden patio, table set, covered by the trees, greenhouse. This is going back then, raspberries, hopefully some raised beds, and then potatoes and other stuff all the way down there. But for now, hang on, before I trip over, we're going home.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the next one. You didn't go close enough.
I didn't
go. Bye.
Bye. Bye.